Hello everybody. Firstly, I am Ömür from the office, as you know, and now this video is recorded to explain you how the NT Cars new driver assignment software system works. So, Mr. Gena, Mr. Mirko, and Mr. Mehmet, this video is recorded for you and to explain how this system works because you are one of our best three drivers, and that's why Mr. Emre and the office choose you to make a test with this system. Actually, I want to explain something. This system is not a GPS or following system uh, because we want to do every assignment with the help of machine learning automatically. That's why step by step we try something, and this is not a following system. If we want to follow, or the office or NT Cars wants to follow you, there are many other options which is very cheaper than this system. And also now I want to say that I prefer in English because my English is better. I cannot speak German fluently, and probably I cannot explain this kind of system in German. But if you have any problem to understanding my English and also any questions, you can also text me in German, Turkish, and Spanish too. I can text with this help of with these languages, but this language now, video language, is English. So now we will start with Mr. Jenna's account. Actually, I text you privately account information, the account mail or name, and also password. Yeah, and also I will explain you how to you actually download the icon on your desktop. With the help of this desktop, you directly go to this link. But now erpasoftware.org/ntcars. I will share it in a group. I will share again, and then you will input your account information, then login. Now this is Mr. Jenna's account, and we will test this account right now. And I added this account a test tour, and then we will talk about this. When you log in, you will see this recent tours page. Here, if the office assign you some tours, you will see these tours here. When office assign you a tour, also you will get a mail via your Gmail, and you will say you will directly log into your account. When you log in your account, as you see here, this is Jenna's account, and this is the tours of today. And when you see a tour here, you can reject it or you can accept it. When you want to reject it, you have to write an explanation here. For example, I am too busy. Why this is important? Because the machine will understand your explanation and assign you tours with the help of this explanation in future. Then you can reject tour. Now we will see the acceptance algorithm. If you accept that tour, you have a pop-up again to get second verification from you, and if you accept it, as you see, you are accepted that tour, and in your all tours section and accepted section, these tours are here, as you see, accepted. Also, you can reject the tour. If you reject that tour, the office get an email immediately, because they have to assign the tour the other person right now. So that's why the office get an email information for your information. So then here we can see the all tours, as you see, and in the home section you can see your tour. So this is a test tour because now this is 11:20 in Istanbul hour, and this is 10 o'clock, so that's why this is past tour. So we have the second algorithm here. We don't have to wait for the time passes. So firstly, before 1 hour, the pickup time, you have a section here. For example, I am on the way. I am on the way section. So if you don't click on this section before 1 hour, if you don't click, the office and you get an information, please go on the way, please go on the way because your customer will be at this destination in 1 hour. And also office gets an information, so also the machine gets an information, then machine informs you there is no person, there will be no person in the following day, so you will get a mail directly from machine. If you say I am on the way, you have also a confirmation section pop up here. That means that yes, you are on the way. So also this is as we don't have time problem here, so I have arrived. When you have arrived the airport or the hotel or where your destination is, you should also click on this section, I have arrived. Why this is important? This is important because machine uh, actually calculates your performance during the you spend on the time, and machine then we will, after 10 or 20 tours between the same locations, machine decided okay, the waiting time or the wait time between this location is 40 minutes or something like that, so it will decide according to this information. And also this is important if there, because we have log for this system, and if there is a customer no show, or there is an appeal from the customer, or there is an appeal from the Rightways or some transfer or the other companies, we will use this information with the help of actually this log, so we don't have to share anything via WhatsApp or something like that. So here we click on yes, I have arrived, because this is not, there is no time problem, as I said, because this is nearly 20 past 11 here. So when you say yes, I have arrived, perfect. So you see that now you have arrived at that location, and we are waiting for our customer. For example, here completed tours, there is no completed tours, there is no rejected tours, awaiting feedback, there is no feedback because there is no tour which is completed successfully, and also there is no canceled tours here. So now we are waiting for customer, and actually in 20 minutes, because this tour actually there is no, yeah, we have arrived there, but we have still time for that customer. When the customer arrived, actually it is 10 minutes later normally, because we have 1 hour or more between Istanbul and Berlin now, so that's why we have a small problem here. So when you say yes, this is okay, there is a one more button here, customer yet. So when you say yes, I got the customer, click on this, and this tour is directly goes to here, completed tours. Okay, and to show you the customer received and no show sections, I actually added another tour to Mr. Janet's system and account. And also when you received your customer, there is customer received section here, and there is no show section here. When you said yes, customer received, yes, you will get something, or there is no show, you will see this pop up, and you add some file here, such as some pictures, such as screenshots about your GPS location, or the photographs of the arrival gate of the terminal or something like that. So you should, now I assign some shirts here, so you should add at least something here to click on no show. If you don't add anything here, you cannot click on no show section. So then if you said customer received, and you said yeah, customer has received, in your section this is completed, this is awaiting feedback or completed section tours here. So this is actually the system of how we can do this. And now I want you to test it with the help of this video. If there's an I know this is a long video, but this is just the best way to explain this whole system shortly to you. As you see, this is completed, and this is I have arrived, because we have time problem. We cannot, our customer has not landed on this location according to this date, and we have, as you see, and the other tours which waiting for acceptance. Okay, that's all. If you have any, and also you can see your tours in the name of Sun Transparent Rideways, and also you can see your calendar when you accept the tours. For example, we accept 2 tours here and they are here these days, and also you can search something like here with this criteria. Okay, firstly, thanks for your listening. I'm here to answer you any questions. Have a good day, safe drive, be happy.